Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to remove an iPhone SIM card without the proper tool. In this video, I'll be going over a simple tutorial and showing you how to get the SIM card out and the SIM card tray out from an iPhone using only a paper clip. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So let's say you have your iPhone and you are finding the SIM card tray, which is located over here on this iPhone, and you want to take out the SIM card or even insert your SIM card. You need to remove the SIM card tray. Now, if you see that little hole right there, you're thinking, how can I actually get into that and remove the SIM card tray? Well, I'm going to show you. It's a very easy way. You take your paper clip right over here. And as you can see right here, I've already bent it, but it would start off like this. You would simply open up the paper clip like that. So you just have a little bit of an angle right here. Just makes it easier to work with. This part of the paper clip over here is going to be like your handle. So you're going to hold it like this. It's nice and thick and big, so you can hold it nice and easily. You're going to get your iPhone and find that SIM card tray, and you're going to see that little circle, and that's where you're going to take your paper clip and you're going to insert it into that little hole, and you're going to apply a modest amount of pressure. You don't want to push too hard, but you don't want to just barely touch it. You want to apply a modest amount of pressure. So I've inserted it. I'm going to apply a modest amount of pressure, and it's going to pop out just like that. As you can see, now I just remove the paper clip and then I pull the SIM card tray out. Now obviously there's no SIM card in here, but if there was, I could remove it. And obviously if I was inserting a SIM card, I could put the SIM card in here the proper way. Okay, as you can see, there are corners, so insert the SIM card in the proper way. Take your SIM card tray with your SIM card or empty, depending on what situation you're in, and just press it down just like that. And as you can see, it sits nice and flush once again. Now, just to recap, your paper clip is going to start off like this. What you want to do is you want to open it up just like that. This is going to be your little handle. You're going to take your paper clip, insert the smaller part in there. And as you can see, this is a smaller size paper clip. I've seen larger ones. This is a smaller one. Insert it in there, push it down. Apply a modest amount of pressure. You're going to have to apply a modest amount of pressure to pop the SIM card tray out. Pull the SIM card tray out and either remove your SIM card or insert your SIM card. Do whatever you need to do. Make sure it's the right way. Put your SIM card tray back in. Make sure your SIM card tray is in the proper orientation. Put it in place. Push it down. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. Was this tutorial helpful? Did it help you? Was it easy to do when you did it? Let me know down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.